I recently evaluated a home in northwest Oklahoma City that was experiencing foundation issues on both the exterior walls and the interior slab. To stabilize the home, it needed exterior steel piers along with polyurethane injection in the living and hallway areas. The homeowner, referred to us by one of our previous customers, was very knowledgeable and asked all the right questions during the evaluation. After meeting with several other companies, she ultimately chose OFS because of our communication, experience, and reputation. When the work was complete, she was thrilled. In her review, she explained that everyone she interacted with, from the inspector to the crew on site, was extremely friendly, knowledgeable, and professional. She said our team worked quickly, left her property neat and tidy, and made having such a large job as pleasant an experience as possible. That's what the critical stage is all about. Even when the problems are severe, the right plan can restore not just your foundation, but your peace of mind.